When I take it from me, they don't even need to be as famous as me.
Hey you guys, good morning. I'm Shar and welcome back to another vlog. If you're new, please take the time to go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload again. And if you're returning, hey you guys, hey boos, hey babies. We about to get another vlog started. I think on the last video, you guys saw that I got my hair done. My best friend Q did it. She wants to start braiding, so she asked to do my hair to get some like practicing. She knows how to braid, but she don't really trying to do it for real. But she's so talented. Like, I'm glad that she's like tapping into more of her creativity and stuff like that. So, yeah. So today's Friday. I have a brow appointment. Thank goodness. I have a brow appointment at 8:15, so I'm actually getting ready to go and leave there now. So, let's see. Who's ever charging? Jesus Christ, Shar. I'm funny. I was never even charging my camera battery, but I have a full battery in there now, so I should be able to at least get us there and get us on. But let me see. I live like 30 minutes away. 8:15, 8:04, so I'm gonna leave right now. Let me get my slides and stuff on. Okay, you guys. I missed my last brow appointment. I don't know if y'all remember that, but I woke up hella late. Like 2 hours late. But I'm up and at 'em now. Let's go. Let's go get these brows done, you guys. I kind of want to stop at Starbucks if I have enough time first. You know?
At the stop sign, turn left onto West Bloomfield Road, then turn left onto North 122nd Avenue.
Says I'll get there at 11:15, 8:11. And my appointment is at...
Turn left onto North 122nd Avenue, then turn right. At the stop sign, turn right onto West Cactus Road, then turn right onto North El Mirage Road. At the light, turn right onto North El Mirage Road.
I should have just went the back way then. Oh no. Oh, there's a dead cat in the road, you guys. Poor kitty.
In 1 mile, turn right onto West Thunderbird Road.
If I have enough time to get something to drink. If I order it now, right? If I order it now, Shar. C-star. Period, yo.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right onto West Grand Avenue.
So it should be ready by the time I get there. oil. So I'm sure I'll be going to the store to get them.
Go past this light. Then at the next one, turn right.
And you don't gotta tell me 2 or 3 times you wanna do a seafood boil, cause shoot, all you gotta say is boil. All you gotta do is say see. But, and I'm in there, like, what is he saying? Like, y'all should already know me by now. Y'all should know me by now. On Monday, I have to go into the building and get like my laptop and stuff, you guys, so I can start this hybrid crap. I really do not want to have to go into the building. I don't like, they just need to leave me alone. They be doing too much. I'm doing just fine at home. My stats are just fine at home. Like,
At
really,
the light,
really
turn
all
right
you're
onto
doing
West Grand Avenue.
is making people spend gas when they don't really have to get to work. So, I'm just saying. Not that I don't be going to the gym and going to cycle bar, you know, and cycle bar is a little bit farther than my job, but still, like, dang. Shoot. I have a little car karaoke first.
I need someone to be patient with me. Someone be calm and rescue me.
Hey guys, got my matcha. Oh.
Joe sticks are back and starting at 2.
Hell no. Okay, it says we'll get there at 8:12, so we're still on time.
Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do.
808.
Come on. I used to run bass like Juan Pierre. Now I run the bass.
If you want it, this love. I don't think I made a nigga colder yet. Like, hey, 20 pop, bro, for that file. Come to my house. Hey, better go hard, girl, this your child. For that file. Hey, better go hard, girl, this your child.
Bitch, that's they come at me about niggas who I don't even find attractive. I can't be up in her face. I took her nigga down for when niggas stand on it. Now his ass can't stand me now. Happiness, that he come for anything, but I can't go for none of that. Bitches still so wild and type to beat him. I just cheap for the keeper. Can't say your name up in my songs.
Okay guys, we made it. We're just waiting on Britt. She should be here in a few minutes. I'm glad that I'm early and that I beat her here just because last time I fucking overslept on her, like, so bad. Like, I felt so bad. So, yeah. She should be here in a little bit though. So I'll see you guys once we go inside. go get these brows done. How do I make selection using up and down? There you go. Let me in, boo. Hey, boo, these doors are locked. Dial 8803, okay. Okay. Alright, we in.
Business is good.
My boo slayed the brows per usual.
And then what's the zip code?
Snaps. It's 9:07. Alright, y'all, we gonna head home and chill before work.
Alright, love.
Say hi, boo, to my vloggy vlog. Alright, boo. Yeah. Hey, you guys, it's Friday. I'm off of work. I showered. I just put on this little crappie and these little shorts, my core slides. I'm probably just gonna stop by my boyfriend's house, bother him for 2.5 seconds, and then figure out what else I'm gonna do because I don't want to stay in my house. If I end up back here because it's boring, cool, but I at least want to go outside and see what's up. So might go to Mill Avenue because my friend Courtney is supposed to be out there later, but I am hungry, so I do plan on getting something to eat. Yes, so yeah, guys, happy Friday. My braid's still braiding. I already set up with my boo when she comes back from the Dominican Republic to braid me up again. Let me switch my battery because this one's dying, and we'll be on our way.
Avocado toast.
Good morning, you guys. It's Sunday. It's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Just got my mom a card, and I need some like sunscreen and stuff, but let me see what kind they got. What's coconut oil? Moisturize the skin. Okay, guys, I stopped at One Stop Nutrition, which usually I go after I do whatever workout I'm gonna do, but I went today before because I'm kind of like hungry and I didn't eat breakfast this morning, and
At the stop sign, turn right onto West Bell Road.
and last time like I was just dying at Cycle Bar, like I couldn't breathe and all that. So I just wanted to like not go like on an empty stomach because I
In
just feel
8.9
like
miles, take a slight left turn to merge onto State Route 101 Loop North.
not going on an empty stomach because I just feel like, you know, that's already gonna, like, I'm not gonna have no energy. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just really hope today turns out to be a good day, y'all. Hey you guys, so I went to Cycle Bar and I'm back home and I put on my bathing suit because I'm hoping the pool's warm enough so I can like get in there. I bought this because I ran out of sunscreen, and I also got this. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my face. Hopefully the water is warm enough. Oh, I just did all this. My brows look amazing, by the way. And I do love the red too. Babe said he thinks it's my color. Okay, you guys. Still kind of blah, but hoping that turns around. Okay guys, last time y'all saw me, I was about to get in the pool, but I decided to come get a pedicure because my feet were looking kind of ugh. But they did a good job. So, I don't look crazy. And I have a nail appointment on Tuesday, so get a fresh set. And yeah, right now I'm about to go to Total Wine and then make my way back to the cribbo. So yeah, let's go guys. Good morning y'all. It is Monday, and I'm on my way to the gym. I woke up at 6:30. 6:30 seems to be my time. Like, I'll be up a little bit before that, but, like, as far as, like, for real opening my eyes and, like, looking at the clock and being like, all right, what time is it? It'd be 6:30. I have my alarm set for 7:15, but I think I might go ahead and just push it up. 6:45 at least. You guys, yesterday ended up being a pretty good day. I'm glad because, girl, it was mommy's day. Like, you know, I wanted to spend time with my family and all that. We had a little seafood boil. Me and my brother got in the pool for a little bit too. But yeah, you guys, just gonna try to go get this workout in. Today I actually have to go into the building to get my hybrid equipment. So apparently I have to bring my tower and my headset, I think is what was said for me to bring. So yeah. And I think I'm working in the building today. So there's that. I definitely just
for sakes like earthquakes, they can break us a piece. I'm not Catholic, but had to have
Good morning, you guys. It's Tuesday. I'm so sleepy, but I'm on my way to Cycle Bar. On my way, y'all. I went to sleep at like almost 2. I was up watching Love is Blind. I'm on season 3, and I'm at the part where I'm on the episode where they first start go looking for wedding dresses and stuff. So. Oh, you guys. Yeah, it was kind of rough to get up this morning. Not gonna lie. I'm all using their cards in there. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. We'll be right with you. Okay, thank you. Having a day off during the week is pretty dope. I am excited to start getting off at 1:30 because I feel like I'm gonna have my weekends back, but then I'll have like the week too, you know? It's like, yo, just gotta make sure I go to sleep on time. Coffee here, guys. So excited. Came by myself, so y'all finna be my little date today. Ash Kitchen is so cute, y'all. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh.
Alarms for everything. Yeah.
This is a fucking vibe, y'all. Can't even lie to you.
Like another coffee?
Yes, please. Actually, that would be great. I'm fucking be so hyper, y'all.
I'm taking a video.
You're ruining it.
At Tintin.
Oh, that's good, okay.
I feel like so that's back. Ah!
So what you need to eat, though?
Oh shit, I'm not even looking at that.
I know you know. And they smoke everything. They smoke the mac and cheese, the sandwiches, the fucking house-made rigatoni.
Marinated hanger steak. Chimichurri fried potatoes, grilled jalapeno and onions. I think that sounds like my jam.
Which one? Grilled hanger steak. Oh, yeah. We gotta look at it all the way. The crab and shrimp enchiladas sound kind of good too.
You're just gonna get on macaroni and cheese only?
No.
You should have got a jacket, huh? You want to be cute all the time.
You could be cute with a jacket on. I'd be cute with a jacket on all the time because I'm always cold, so I always got a jacket.
She don't be
They
remembering.
be his jackets most of the time,
With some
but
mac and cheese,
I got a jacket.
I want cheese sticks.
I don't think they got cheese sticks there.
Meals?
You can get
chicken strips too, babe.
You can get chicken strips.
Or the sliders and fries. Or I mean, well, I guess that's sliders, fries, and mac and cheese, but I don't know.
Maybe they can do the side of mac and cheese or something.
I'll take the fries.
Okay.
You can't just have fries and mac and cheese. I mean, I guess you could, but
We'll
it's
see
kind of
what they
weird.
say.
Just one side.
I'll say they have mac and cheese. I mean cheese sticks. I love cheese sticks. I go.
Get you a cauliflower taco.
I be wanting to be healthy, but like no,
No, we ain't doing
it's
that.
not that deep.
Hello, burger.
It's not that deep for me.
Cauliflower not even a real vegetable. That
It's
shit-
made of.
Yeah.
A hot honey chicken sandwich might be fire.
You know, I was low key looking at that. I be feeling some type of way eating like Mexican food at places that ain't a Mexican. Is this a Mexican spot or is
It's
this?
not. It's like an American
Yeah.
type of blah blah.
Sometimes it'd be cool, but other times I don't know.
Yeah, you just never know. I want to say I've had their tacos and I want to say they're good, but
Yeah.
I actually want to say I remember the burgers mostly, and
That's what I'm looking
The
at.
burgers
Yeah,
were-
sandwiches.
but I
and
feel like
burgers.
this menu is different from the one downtown.
It looks. I mean, I haven't been there, but like that.
I went with Becky and Meredith, and I don't. It was like they had like an Angus burger steak, and that's not on here.
It did say it just opened up too, though. It looks a little
Yeah.
bit short of a menu. Like that, a little bit only got like maybe 20 items or so.
Yeah.
At this point, it's either between this grilled mahi mahi sounds kind of good too.
I be doing too much on my off days though. By the end of the night, I be tired as fuck. Like I didn't work the whole day and do some more shit.
Yeah. Why is
I be
that?
go to the gym. So I be waking up early. Like when I go on Tuesdays, the classes be at 7:15. So I gotta wake up at like 6. Get ready if I want to be there on time. They charge you if you don't cancel within 12 hours of your class. It's $20, like a $20 fee.
Yeah.
So obviously I ain't trying to pay that after paying a $100 membership fee each month. So I
Damn,
get
bro,
my ass
they
up
charge
and I
you
go. Yeah. Which is dumb because it's just like you just wasting your money. Like you paid monthly for it. Like, you know what I mean?
I don't
But-
get. Maybe if they like just kicked you out of the class would make more sense.
Well, you're taking
but-
up a seat because you have to reserve a bike. I mean, it don't never be full, so it's not like, you know what I'm saying, like, I'm taking a spot away from someone. Now, if we was in Atlanta, okay, because them shits be packed.
Right, for sure.
But out here, it'd be like, the most people that was in a class was 17, and there's like 30-something bikes.
Yeah, I'll be seeing you in there. You be going in, man.
I love that shit, honestly. What I need to, like, you know, I sometimes, like, honestly, if I could, I'd probably do cycle bar every day and not even go to the gym, but I don't want to not lift weights, so I'm going to go to the gym tomorrow. But I like going to the gym because it's, you know, like I said, with cycle bar, you have to be there at a certain time or else, you know, I could just go to the gym at my own time, stay how long I want, and do it.
Friday, because we calamari.
Yes. Thank you. You want to try it?
We also have the smoked queso.
Oh, just put that right there.
Good choice on the queso. It's one of my favorite things.
Yeah, it sounded pretty good, brother.
Alrighty, can I get your folks anything else as of right now?
I think we're ready to order.
Yeah.
Let me go grab your server for you.
Thank you so much.
Go.
Those are chips.
You want chip?
Yeah. She said fries.
Excuse me, I'll make you reach over.
Go, babe.
Here, Mills. Oh. You didn't get dirty.
As long as you get no case on me,
Oh,
baby.
you good. Move too fast. Look, I case on this.
Let me try.
Right? Good? Better put a little left lipstick on it there too.
Nah, I was like surprised you were. Yeah.
Gotta remember I got a little girl, yeah. Trying not to be too restrictive, you know.
Because when she get out your house, she gonna go crazy.
I'm already know.
Can I have some, like a wrap?
That's why I'm trying to make sure she's ready what you want. No, don't reach over, people. I put it more at least right here. But anytime you out to eat with somebody, it's rude to reach over people. Alright? Normally.
Put some on her plate.
That's what I was gonna do, but I
Yeah,
ain't.
that's fine.
Yeah, I'm still on that spoon. They're gonna give us nice support. I think that might be. Let me see your plate real quick, Mel. Alright.
Do you want to do entrees or we can hang out with what we got?
No, I think we're ready to order.
Yeah, let's do it.
I had a question for the kids' meal, the mac and cheese. Is it just mac and cheese or is it only mac and cheese?
Do you have like cheese dip?
So you either get mac and cheese by itself, or you can get chicken and fries, or you can get the burger and fries.
Yeah.
Burger and fries.
Can I get the slider and fries, please?
They only come with cheese. Do you want to add any pickles or anything?
You want? No, she don't like pickles. You want lettuce, tomato, anything else?
I like lettuce, but not tomato.
Lettuce, and then ketchup. Other than that, you can go ahead, babe.
Can I do the grilled hanger steak?
Of course. How would you like your steak cooked, huh?
Medium?
Is everything okay on there?
Yeah.
All right. And for you, sir?
I'm gonna go ahead and get the where's that? The smoked mac and cheese with the chicken.
Okay, chicken.
Yeah.
All right, you guys are going to throw that in here?
Actually, you know what? Take that back. I want to get the mahi mahi, the grilled mahi mahi.
Okay. Is everything okay on there for you?
Yeah, everything's all right. Instead of the how does the vinegar sauce? Is it real like sour? Or is
It's
it?
really not. It's pretty mild.
Oh, okay.
As long as they make it the same as the other place. Some things are a little bit different from where I'm at. They're still learning.
That's what, yeah.
Oh,
That's what I
okay.
was telling him. Like the menu looks a little different, but
I mean, I'll rock with it. Let me just get some tomatoes on there,
Okay.
and yeah, that's cool.
And then for your side, you want to do onion rings, regular fries, sweet potato fries?
Should I try some sweet potato fries?
Alright, you guys, look at that too.
Thank you. And they got the misters on full blast. That's
yeah, it's not that bad like right here, but like walking in, I was just like, oh my god. I mean, you know, when it gets hotter, I won't complain, but like right now, I feel like it's not really good summertime. It's crazy.
Shit, it's not. It didn't hit 100 degrees already.
Yeah.
I was in my car. My shit said 100. I'm like, oh.
This calamari has nothing on. Where are we at? We are not.
Oh yeah, that was pretty good.
It's okay.
Also, I feel like the Yard House give you more.
Yeah. I appreciate them giving me tentacles, but like,
Right.
and then like as far as like the sauce and shit goes, like I like cocktail sauce. Like I realize that not all people give you cocktail sauce with your calamari, but that's what I like. I prefer it.
Could I ask you for something? I know.
Yeah.
All the damn seafood they got with us.
Yeah, true.
Respect. Sticks.
See if I eat this. I'm pretty hungry now. And I like steak and shit, so.
What time you gonna be at work tomorrow? 9? Or
11?
10? Oh,
Yeah, I'm still on the schedule till next week, Monday. I'll change. So I'm off today, and then I have my weekends back. So I'm off Saturday and Sunday, and then I'll be Monday through Friday next week.
Can I try this?
Yeah, man.
So when you be putting your hair in a ponytail, it's all about getting in the ponytail and wrapping it in a circle?
Exactly.
So I'm trying to get hers right. I've been fucking it up. That's why it's like there.
And then like when I'm doing this, I actually can't just use a regular hair tie bit. Because it would never be like flat and tight. So what I do is I get a headband and I cut the headband. And then I tie it around and that's how I get it nice and smooth.
But see, I've tried that one time with her, but I felt like her hair wasn't combed enough, so it really didn't, you know?
That's why like I'll spray it, I'll put gel and I'll brush it to get it, you know what I mean? Like how I want it before I'll do the whole thing. Now with her, I know you're not probably putting gel in her hair like how I do mine.
I try not to put too much because I feel like the way she be playing this shit, and depending on what kind of gel I get, it be all, you know, like.
I think you did a good job, you know.
I try to make it at least.
That's how I do my business. Now if I do like this when I got braids in, like I'll use a regular hair tie to do it, you know, but when it's just my natural hair, to get it smooth, I have to do it that way. Or else it will never look right.
I'm low-key glad my mama cut my hair off when I was young, because I can deal with all that shit.
Shit, I don't know. If you started when you were young, you'd probably know by now.
I know I couldn't.
You're well versed in your hair.
I remember when the last few times I got my hair braided, wasn't a good experience.
I feel like men are so sensitive with that shit. Darnell is too. He dealt with it, but like.
But see, getting my hair cut though, like I done been like motherfuckers and gave me a haircut, cut me all up, all type of shit. Let me get it up. What's all this other shit though?
I don't know. Greenery decorations.
That's just a little much.
Yeah, I agree. I know where to go get Kelly anything.
Not the big.
Nope.
Alright, I'm good.
You should make her look so good. You should make her bring a coat.
I didn't really think it was gonna be that cool tonight. Is it that bad? You really cold that bad?
Huh?
You that cold?
Wanna go sit inside?
It's hot inside.
I like it.
Enjoy the cool while you can, because it's about to start being hot as hell, bro.
And my manager sat me right across the wall from her. I'm like, all right, if that's what you want, shit. And she, like, I be so like honest, like professional at the same time, you know. And then she was just like, she was kind of asking me like, oh, like, aren't you excited? And I'm just like, I'm not excited for you to listen to my escalation calls live. You know what I mean? Like, oh, that's not uncomfortable. Shit. Not that I be doing it or saying anything wrong. Like, you've been there while taking calls, but it's just like, I don't know. Like, I'm not always the nicest, you know.
Have a nice day, hon.
Thank you. For the steak, yeah. The steak knife. I can't use that knife.
Oh yeah. You really marrying you, fucking nigga up with that shit.
Hey, I'd rather be cut with that knife than that knife.
Oh, it's gonna hurt.
Cause that butter knife getting through. Just make it nice and clean. Maybe we should put her in the middle.
You wanna sit in the middle?
Just in the middle.
Alright, sit in the middle.
Come on.
I thought your forehead would give you enough.
Shut up, babe. There we go. There we go. My battery's about to die anyway. Get a little breakfast. I got some donut lunch beans. And waiting on my iced matcha latte. So we can go pop.
Doing YouTube?
Yeah. Alright, thank you. Have a great day.
No problem.
Let's just have a little seat real quick, guys. Not in a rush. Don't gotta clock in till 11. So I think when I edit my this video, y'all, I'm gonna find somewhere to like go sit and chill. But I have Wi-Fi obviously, so that might be a little tricky. But yeah, I got some good donut holes. The battery's dead too. Cheers. I need to go buy this stuff at the store so I can make it at home. Okay, guys, let's go back home. I gotta set up my hybrid stuff too, like my laptop and all that other good stuff. So but let's go back. Good morning, you guys. It is Thursday. It's 6:40 in the morning, so I'm about to get ready to get up and get dressed and go to the gym. But I just wanted to hop on here to go ahead and end off this vlog because I do want to start a new video. I have my weekends back, so I feel like this weekend is going to be a little fun. Yeah, so I just want to be able to start a new video and whatnot.
But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are new, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I would love to have you guys as, join the family. Trying to reach 300 subscribers, so yeah, I think eventually I'm gonna start doing giveaways. So I don't know if I want to start doing giveaways once I like reach 500, and then yeah, so I think that'll be really dope to do something like that. But thank you guys so much for returning, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.